Meet Ted. Ted runs a custom manufacturing company. Ted and his team are good at what they do, but no matter how hard they work, they still have trouble getting orders out the door on time. Why? Because classic scheduling systems just don't work for high-mix, low-volume manufacturers. They might work in theory, but in reality, a custom shop doesn't have the consistent data that traditional scheduling requires. So, Ted has to use estimates in place of pinpoint accurate numbers, and then hope his classic scheduling software can come up with a workable schedule. Spoiler alert, it can't. This puts Ted in a no-win situation on every single job. Traditional scheduling hurts Ted's company in 3 major ways. It can't deal with shifting priorities. It doesn't help align their plant. And they lose jobs by misquoting at the bid phase. So, what should Ted do? Ted should get Smart Scheduling with Genius ERP. Smart Scheduling is the only drum buffer rope scheduling tool available within an ERP, and it will completely revolutionize the way Ted schedules his shop. Smart Scheduling improves project management, reduces lead times, increases throughput, and gets everyone aligned and working on the same priorities. Smart Scheduling zeroes in on the heartbeat of Ted's shop, and then schedules everything around that heartbeat. We call that the drum. Once we determine the drum, our system sets flexible buffers and ropes around it to ensure the drum is always the top priority, so Ted's shop always runs at maximum capacity. Any trouble with the drum is quickly identified and the system responds accordingly by adjusting buffers or ropes. With Smart Scheduling, Ted's managers and supervisors will be better able to set and manage priorities, as well as define and optimize the throughput of their shop. Ted's sales team will be able to provide more accurate quotes and estimated delivery dates based on the actual load of their shop. And his shop staff will always have a clear picture of their top priorities. If the priorities need to change, no worries. Smart Scheduling automatically adapts to new priorities and applies changes to every department, and it will show Ted the impacts of the change before he has to commit. In short, Smart Scheduling means better project management, decreased lead time, increased throughput, higher customer satisfaction, reduced WIP, increased cash flow, and a more harmonious and aligned company. Now that he is using Smart Scheduling, Ted can rest easy at night, knowing he is connected to the heartbeat of his shop and confident they will always deliver on time for their customers. Smart Scheduling, only available with Genius ERP. Book a demo today at geniuserp.com.